Hi, gang! Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Zoomer Dino. First, we're going to watch X-Man open it, and then we're going to take a look at it, see how it works, see if we can figure it out, and play with it! Hooray! Let's go!
Right there. There it is. I can open it. It's this.
It is.
It's a chasey thing.
Yes, the Zoomer Dino.
Like this. And to that, then if that is where I'm going to make me mad.
Are you going to chase him or is he going to chase you?
He got a chore. Then he can chase me.
He's a remote control dinosaur.
Honey, don't press any buttons. See? Now he's sitting. Talk. There he goes. See? He talked to me.
Now he's going to talk to you.
Here, rub his chin.
Go up and pet him. He's not mad anymore. His eyes are green. See?
It's scary. Now I got food. Keep looking. He's up. Like he is. Like me. You silly dinosaur.
Okay, we're about to see this in action, but I wanted you to see it up close here. It's really flexible, looks kind of realistic. It's really fun, almost like having a pet. And you can train it it gives you instructions with hand signals and stuff where it's motion censored. There's that. There's the off and on switch. Well, it's not hard plastic like those, other animated dinosaurs or remote controlled dinosaurs. They did a really good job on it. And then this is the remote. It's really simple. It's forward, backward, side to side. This button makes him angry. Also, if you grab him by the tail and shake him, or grab him by the tail when he's trying to go, that'll make him angry, and then his eyes turn red, and that's when you know he's mad. He starts attacking everything. It's pretty funny. Underneath, this is the forward button. You have to hold that down while you're using the directional button. And then this with the little teeth on it, that's the chomping button. It'll make him lash out and chomp. So it's pretty simple. Overall, it's pretty simple controller. That's it. Let's take a look at it in action.
Oh, you're getting mad. His eyes are red. Oh, no.